Jai Srimanarayana. Today, the meaning of third Pashuram in English. In this Pashuram, Andal says that as they do Nomu, the whole place will become rich with paddy crops and other good things would happen for the people. She invokes Trivikraman as having simple characteristics of Krishna and emphasizes reciting his names as the sole purpose by itself. In this Pashuram, Goddess Andal talks about Vibhava Avataram of Trivikrama, that is Vamana Avataram. Jai Srimanarayana, Rachakonda Ramacharya.